Where?
Southern Leyte, Mr. Chair.
Southern Leyte.
Yes po.
You have a brother, am I right? Meron kang kapatid na lalaki, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Involved sa drugs, am I right? Now, do not lie, you're under oath. You just tell us now. Meron kang kapatid na lalaki involved sa drugs, am I right?
Wala po akong kapatid na lalaki na involved sa drugs, Mr. Chair.
Ah, wala.
Sure ka?
Are you sure? Sigurado ka? Because we're gonna find out. We are going to find out. Kung
Wala pa akong-
sinungaling ka ngayon, I will cite you in contempt right now.
Wala po akong kapatid, Mr. Chair, na involved sa drugs.
Are you sure? Because we're gonna find out.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now,
Police Captain Albotra, tinawag na sinungaling ni Abante matapos mainis sa mga sagot ng Captain. Pero bago ang lahat, maaari kayong mag-subscribe para maging updated sa mga issue at bago mga balita. Naguguluhan nga ang isang police captain na witness sa pagdinig kung anong gustong ipalabas ng Quadcom dahil nga sa pagpupumilit ng Quadcom sa mga nais nilang makuwang sagot sa mga resource person. Narito ang buong detalye.
what did you mention it? Why?
Naalala ko pong sinabi niyo sa akin. Actually,
Who
wala naman
said
ako.
it? Sino sabi?
Kenneth Albotra po.
Si Kenneth Albotra
Yes,
mismo.
sir.
Oh,
Wala
so you
akong-
know Kenneth Albotra.
Yes, sir. When naging tao ko po yan sa Cebu City Police, nung nag-courtesy call po siya, in confidence siguro niya nasabi sa akin na kwento niya. And of course, I'm the city director during that time.
Yes.
And wala pa akong sama ng loob yan kay Albotra po. Wala po. Actually, maayos naman po yung pagtrabaho niya during my time. And I treated him very well. So I think magsabi na lang po sana siya ng totoo para matapos na lang po.
So ibig
for the
sabihin,
peace of mind of everyone na
when
po.
when you met him, he was the one that told you the story.
Opo, he volunteered out of confidence.
Ano pong sinabi niya sa inyo?
Ang sabi niya lang po is, ma'am, kami po yung nagtrabaho kay Halili. Ganon. Paano po nakuha si Halili, si Mayor, taga saan? Binigay niyo po niya details. Sharpshooter po ang may gawa. Ganun po.
Captain Albotra, iyo bang pinapatunayan itong sinabi ni Colonel Garma na mataas na official mo? O nagkita ba kayo? Nabanggit mo sa kanya yung mga ganyang bagay? O nagsisinungaling si Colonel Garma at this point in time?
At this point of time po, sorry po, nagsisinungaling po si Ma'am Garma, Mr. Chair.
Nagsisinungaling si Colonel Garma?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ang nagsasabi ng totoo.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Chairman, siguro tanungin natin, anybody from, Sergeant ba yun? SPO4 Solantes? Anybody from PNP can tell us kung saan naka-assign si Solantes during that time of the death of Tony Halili and Mayor Cesar Perez. We need to find out kung saan siya naka-assign. Is he also a part of the CIDG, Colonel Patay, during your time?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi siya naka-assign sa CIDG?
No, Mr. Chair.
Sa Colonel Petalio, sa Region 4, sa Laguna? Solantes.
Wala pa akong maalalang may ano, sir. Apelido.
Wala kang maalala? So hindi sure?
Yes, sir. Hindi sure, sir.
Can you kindly
Check namin, sir.
check it out?
Yes, sir.
No? General Acop, asan ba si General Acop? Ha? Okay, sige. We'll try to find it out. Thank you.
Yeah, apparently
Chairman.
kasi, itong si PMS Reynaldo Solantes at saka si PMS Giroy are
The sharpshooter.
sharpshooters ng Philippine National Police. So, we'd like to find out kung saan sila na-assign noong mga panahon na yon. So, maybe we will ask the personnel to provide us that information. Yes, Congressman Paduano, and then Congressman Lordan Suwan, and then Congressman Keith Flores.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Follow up ko lang doon kay Captain Albotra. You mentioned two police personnel that were brought by you or assigned in Calamba? Sino-sino yon? Yung dalawa?
Si PO3 Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair, and
PO3,
Eugene Calumba, Mr. Chair, and
Karumba, Karumba,
yes, Mr. Chair.
Karumba, and
I don't know anong rank, Mr. Chair. Miljen Bulandres, Mr. Chair.
Bulandres. Bulandres, ha? Hindi Bilandres, ha? Bulandres. Okay. Anyway, yung assignment ng dalawa, kasi ikaw, nung dumating ka doon, you were assigned doon sa DEO. Tama? O Calamba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ang assignment ng dalawa,
Doon din po, Mr. Chair.
doon din. The same date kayo pumasok? The same date din kayo kinancel yung ano nyo, assignment?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Marami.
Sandali, yes or no lang po?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The same.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So what a coincidence. Ano daw ang basis ng pag-relieve sa inyo at saka yung assignment nyo? But inassign kayo doon, then after few days, kinansila, then binalik kayo. Oh,
Opo, Mr. Chair.
hindi, anong opo? Kaya tanong ko, bakit kinansila? Anong basis daw o reason?
Si RD po ang...
Who is that RD the time?
General Ted Caranza po, Mr. Chair.
Si Caranza is now the OIC Mayor of
Yes.
Silang Cavite.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, who is the Chief of Police the time?
That was then Lieutenant Colonel Ulsano, Mr. Chair.
Lieutenant Colonel
Ulsano.
Luzano?
Ulsano po.
Ulsano? Anong klase yung Ulsano? Active ba ngayon yung Ulsano?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Active pa? Saan naka-assign?
No
As far
idea
as you know.
po kung saan, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the PNP to facilitate the present assignment of Light Colonel Ulsano and to be invited in the next hearing? Kasi ito po yung Chief of Police nung nangyari yung Mayor Halili killing. Now, hindi ka man lang, Captain Albotra, hindi ka man lang nagtaka na you were assigned, you were relieved in Cebu. Prior to your relief, ano ba yung position mo doon sa Cebu?
Station Commander, Mr. Chair.
Station Commander of what?
Station 1, Mr. Chair.
Station 1. That's 2018.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gano'n ka katagal doon na Station 1 Commander?
I think only 2 months, Mr. Chair, before po na-issuehan ng order, Mr. Chair.
So, 2 months ka lang na Station 1 Commander, then nirelieve ka, and then assigned to Calamba, ganon? Then, kinansila ulit, binalik ka na naman sa Cebu?
Opo, Mr. Chair. Yun po ang nangyari, Mr.
O
Chair.
prior to Station 1, anong assignment mo?
Sa Deputy Dumaguete Police Station po yata, Mr. Chair, sa Negros Oriental PPO, Mr. Chair.
Anong posisyon mo doon sa Negros Oriental?
Deputy Dumaguete Chief of Police, Mr. Chair.
Dumaguete City mismo.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Your rank the time is Lieutenant? O Kapitana?
Major po, Mr. Chair.
Major. Okay. So, deputy ka ng Dumaguete. Anong buwan yon ng 2018?
Di ko po siguro mga ano po yung Mr. Chair, mga February, January, mga ganun, Mr. Chair. December, January, February.
So from Dumaguete,
Tama.
from Dumaguete, binalik ka, dahil Region 7 yung Dumaguete, di ba? Binalik ka sa region, then you were assigned as Station 1 Commander of Cebu City.
From Dumaguete, Mr. Chair, assigned po ako sa Station 1 of Cebu City.
Station 1 nga?
Yes, Mr.
As
Chair.
the commander of that station.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Gaano ka katagal sa Dumaguete?
Madali lang po, Mr. Chair.
Madali ulit? Mga ilang buwan lang?
Mga 4 months siguro, Mr. Chair.
Naku po. Bakit yung assignment mo? Tingnan mo tingnan mo ang assignment mo, parang pinadala ka lang doon, tapos may gagawin ka, then ililipat ka na, i-relieve ka, balik ka Station 1, 2 months ka Station 1, tatapon ka ulit sa Calamba, matter of days, pinakansila, binalik ka ulit sa Cebu.
Yung sa Negros po, Mr. Chair, yung Dumaguete is, galing po ako ng deputy investigation, napunta akong Dumaguete, tapos nag-schooling po ako ng investigation officers basic course, Mr. Chair.
6 months.
Parang, hindi naman umabot, Mr. Chair.
Pero the time, saan ang assignment mo?
Sa Dumaguete, Mr. Chair.
Sa Dumaguete.
Yes,
After your schooling,
Ayon na sa Station 1, Mr. Chair.
andali. So, naunang schooling, o nahuling schooling before assignment in Station 1?
Nauna po, Mr. Chair.
Nauna. So, after Dumaguete, as deputy ng Dumaguete Police Station, Police Office, nag-schooling ka.
Nung schooling po ako, Mr. Chair, doon pa po yung unit ko sa Dumaguete.
O nga, pero nag-schooling ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi 4 months.
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Gano.
Pero yung regular duty mo, 4 months lang. Tapos schooling ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O tapos, 4 months, then you assigned at Station 1. After 2 months, you were assigned again sa Calamba. Sa Calamba. Then, after few days, binalik ka.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ganito po, matanong kita, bago ko balikan yung yung kay Ma'am Garma. So, nung sa Dumaguete ka, that was 2018, your rank is major.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Ba't ka na-demote? Anong kaso mo?
Na-cancel po yung promotion order ko po nung major, Mr. Chair, kasi po parang may problema po doon sa eligibility ko po, Mr. Chair.
May problema sa eligibility mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayun lang, wala kang kaso.
Wala po, Mr. Chair. Wala, hindi po yung demotion, but cancellation po, Mr. Chair, ng order.
So, from 2018, supposedly, major ka na, because of that eligibility problem, hindi ka na-promote until now.
Mr. Chair, supposed to be magpapapromote na po sana ako ng Lieutenant Colonel, but
When was that? Paano ka ma-promote ng Lieutenant Colonel na nakansila nga yung pagka-major mo from captain? Pwede ba yun?
Yun po yung dahilan, Mr. Chair, kasi saka lang po nila nalaman nung naghalungkat po ng order, Mr. Chair. Kaya nung nalaman nila, yun po, na-cancel po yung last promotion order ko po.
Okay. So you were already promoted as major.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Kinancel because when you apply for promotion for Light Colonel, doon nakita
Yes, Mr.
na
Chair.
may problema kasi eligibility mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Oh, when was that?
Bago lang po, Mr. Chair. I think 2 months ago, Mr. Chair.
2 months ago.
Yes,
So balik kapitan ka.
Opo, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman, can we direct the DPRM to submit also the service record, and that includes the promotion and the cancellation of the reason for the cancellation of the promotion of Captain Albutra.
Mr. Chair,
Please.
Yes, Congressman Akop.
I'll just ask one clarificatory question. Ano yung sinasabi mong eligibility na wala ka kaya hindi ka na-promote?
Mr. Chair, yung ginamit ko po noon na eligibility was only police inspector, and sabi po ng DPRM, nung time na nagpapapromote ako is hindi na po daw valid yun, Mr. Chair.
Napolcom, can you say something about that? Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya?
Your Honor, hindi po ganun eh. Matagal nang na-establish namin na merong police eligibility para sa third class, fourth class, third class, second class, saka first class. Matagal na pong establish yun. Gusto rin namin malaman sa DPRM kung nagkaroon siya ng misrepresentation, kaya siya natanggal. Hindi na po bago yung eligibility. Dapat alam na niya yun. Your Honor, baka ho sa CIDG meron po silang impormasyon.
Mr. Chair, gusto yata magsalita ni Gerald Torre.
Yes, General Torre, you may...
Mr. Chair, can I volunteer some information because we conducted an investigation regarding Mr. Albotra. The reason why his promotion was cancelled is he used an inspector eligibility when he got promoted to chief inspector, up to the inspector of liability for major. And then when he applied for promotion to lieutenant colonel, it was found out that he is not even eligible for major. So he was demoted to captain. The most proximate reason is that until 1992, that inspector eligibility is valid for up to chief inspector and superintendent. And then after that, because during the time the exams were given for inspector, senior inspector, chief inspector, and superintendent, senior superintendent. After 1992, NAPOLCOM changed the ruling that the inspector exam taken after that date is valid until superintendent. So, dun most probably ang naging oversight nung unang promotion sa major, kaya siya nakalusot sa major, even using that inspector exam dahil siya ay 2006, sir, invalid na yun. Hanggang 1992 lang, sir.
Mr. Chair, may I continue?
That's Mr. Presentation, sir, definitely.
May I continue my questioning,
Please
Mr.
proceed.
Chair, please? Colonel Garma, itong si Captain Albotra was assigned in Region 7, correct?
Relax.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he
Mr.
was
Chair.
only assigned briefly.
Sa Region 7, sir?
Yes.
Medyo maganap yan sa Region 7 siya, Mr.
But you
Chair.
have known him for quite some time.
No, Mr. Chair, I only known him nung pong nag-courtesy call siya sa akin, tapos na-assign na siya sa Cebu City. Doon ko lang po siya nakilala.
Okay. Captain Albotra,
Hindi mo time, ha?
Na- na-assign ka sa with the indulgence of Congressman Paduano, please. Ha? Ako po yung humihingi ng tawad sa iyo. Gusto ko lang ituloy ito eh. Captain Albotra, you were assigned in Region 7, am I right?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Where in Region 7?
Cebu City po, Mr. Chair.
What was your position in Region 7?
I've been the Station 1, Station 6.
You have a... Are you a Cebuano? No, you're not.
I am from Southern Leyte, Mr. Chair.
From where?
Southern Leyte, Mr. Chair.
Southern Leyte.
Yes po.
You have a brother, am I right? Meron kang kapatid na lalaki, correct?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Involved sa drugs, am I right? Now, do not lie, you're under oath. You just tell us now. Meron kang kapatid na lalaki involved sa drugs, am I right?
Wala po akong kapatid na lalaki na involved sa drugs, Mr. Chair.
Wala. Are you sure? Sigurado ka? Because we're gonna find out. We are going to find out. Kung
Wala pa akong-
sinungaling ka ngayon, I will cite you in contempt right now.
Wala po akong kapatid, Mr. Chair, na involved sa drugs.
Are you sure? Because we're gonna find out.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Now, ang rinig ko, magaling ka sa baril eh. Magaling ka sa baril. Alam nyo, Captain, bilib ako sa magaling bumaril. Alam nyo, lahat ng mga pelikula sa Netflix na sniper, napanood ko. Yung isang araw kamukha mo eh. Oo, totoo yun. Mukha kang artista eh. Bilib ako sa marunong humawak ng baril. Totoo yan, di ba? O, di ba bilib ka rin marunong humawak ng baril? Bilib ka rin doon, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
O, itong si Eugene Calumbar. Kilala mo, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kaibigan mo yon, am I right?
Naging kasama ko po yun, Mr. Chair.
Mahusay kumawak ng baril to eh. Tama, mali. Mahusay itong humawak ng baril. Oh, gusto mo, meron akong firing range. Sama kita, saka si Eugene. May mga baril ako doon. Subukan natin kung marunong kang bumaril. PNPA ka eh. Ikaw ba ay marunong bumaril o hindi?
Marunong po, Mr. Chair.
Yung pala naman eh. Okay, meron kang kaibigan si Eugene, pati mo sabihin sa amin marunong bumaril to. Nag-isinungaling ka eh. We're gonna find out here. Yung mga tanong namin sa'yo, we're gonna find out. Dito po, meron kaming paraan para i-find out kung nagsasabi ka ng totoo o hindi. Itong si Colonel Garma, mas naniniwala ako dito ngayon. Ikaw, ngayon ka lang. Naiinis na ako sa iyo eh. Totoo yun. Para na akong si Batoy, naiinis na ako sa iyo eh. Okay.
Mr. Chairman, before we yield back kay Congressman Paduano, Captain Albotra, tell us, ba't kami maniniwala sa iyo? Yun ang eligibility mo para ma-promote ka You deceive Nagkaroon ka na ng deception Di ba? Doon pa lamang sa promotion meron ka nang ginawang panloloko. So much more dito sa ginagawa mo. Sinabi ni GM Garma na nagmalaki ka, nakasama ka sa team nang tumira kay Antonio Halili. Now, ngayon, sino paniniwalaan namin? Ikaw o si GM Garma? Now, tinatanong ka kung meron kang kapatid na na-involve sa drug pushing. Di ba? Nag-deny ka na naman. So, what else ang mga pagsisinungaling na gagawin mo sa kongresong ito? We are allowing you, to answer back to us, but we are very lenient sa iyo. Pero, alam mo, may hangganan yan, Captain Albotra. Huwag mong pilitin na i-cite ka namin in contempt. You cooperate. At kung hindi naman ikaw ang pumatay, at kasama ka lamang sa team na mga pumatay, you cooperate with us because this is your chance. We will never give you another chance. Believe us. Kaya, Captain Albotra, tama na. Yung nalipat ka sa Dumaguete, ilang buwan, nalipat ka sa Cebu, ilang buwan, nalipat ka sa Calamba, ilang buwan, may pattern ginagamit ka. Ginagamit ka para sa intel work ng Drug Enforcement Unit. Doon ka na-assign lagi Ikaw nagmo-monitor. At pag natapos sa trabaho mo, aalis ka na or kaya andun ka, iba ang papatay. Huwag mo na kaming bulahin dito. Alam namin, yun ang trabaho mo. Kaya palipat-lipat ka.
Mr. Chair, isang question lang po, Mr. Chair. Sino ang kamag-anak mo na involved sa drugs? Kung hindi kapatid mo. Sino?
Mr. Chair, meron po akong tiyuhin, Mr. Chair.
Ayun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Meron kang tiyuhin na involved sa drugs. Correct?
Na-involve po, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Ito yung sabi
Okay.
totoo.
So we will now give the floor back to Congressman Paduano, and let me reiterate that after Congressman Paduano, it is now the turn of Congressman Lordan Suwan and then Congressman Keith Flores. Congressman Paduano, you have 2 more minutes. Please proceed.
Matapos magkamali ka sa ruling mo, bigyan mo ko ng 2 minutes siya. Anyway, ganito po, Captain Albotra. You mentioned about the 2 police officers you brought in Calamba. The same assignment kayo?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
DEO din?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The same din ang pag-relieve nyo?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
What's the reason of your relief? What's the reason of your relief?
Mr. Chair, siguro po si Sir
Sino?
Vitalio po ang makasagot, Mr. Chair.